Hey everybody, today is Thursday, September 24th. Today we're going to be ordering decimals by using representations of the decimal to justify the answer. So we're going to prove our answer with representations. But first let's review some things. First of all, how would you say this number in word form? So pause the video and figure out how would you say this number in word form. Okay, you ready to say it? 869,331,001. All right, you ready for another one? I'll make it a little bit more challenging for you. Ooh, how would we say this number in word form? Pause the video. Okay, let's see. Did you get 7,623,583,529? I hope so. All right. I'm going to add something else. Ooh, let's look at this number. What do you see here at the end? This right here. That's right. It's a decimal place. So this one we have our comma for our place value grouping as well as a decimal place. So that means we're going to say this number, 23,412 and 9/10, because we have a 9 in the tenths place. All right, here's another example. Pause the video, write down how you would say this. All right, you ready? 307,123,121 and 98 hundredths. How'd you do? Okay, so I presented a challenge to go find two of these items, and here were the scores that these students had right here. So I want to know who won. Who was the quickest? Who was the slowest? Do you have enough information to narrow it down to one student who was the quickest and one student who was the slowest? We don't. So what do we need to do? Right, we need to add a tenths place. Oh, hang on just a moment. Okay, I don't know why I told you to hang on, but that's okay. So, I've added the tenths place. Now, can you determine who was the quickest? Okay, so we see that student 2 was able to complete the challenge in 2 seconds and 3/10 of a second. So their time was 2 and 3/10, and student 4 was 2 and 4/10. Good, we know that 3/10 is less than 4/10. So student 3 is the winner. What about the slowest of these 5 students? Who was the slowest? You don't know yet, do you? Okay. We need to go into the hundredths place and get even more specific. Here we go. So we have 8 and 27 hundredths and 8 and 24 hundredths. Which one of those is larger? Remember, we're looking for the biggest number. Good. 27 hundredths is going to be larger because we have a 2 in the tenths place, and a 7 in the hundredths, and a 4 in the hundredths. So student 3 was the quickest, and student 1 was the slowest. All right, so now I want you to go ahead and put these in order on your own. Pause the video and do so. Okay, so now we have visual representations of these numbers. Let me move myself to a good spot. Okay, so now we have visual representations of these numbers. So remember, for 3 and 32 hundredths, we have 1, 2, 3 holes, 3/10, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32 hundredths. For 2 and 32 hundredths, we have 1, 2 holes completely shaded in, 10, 20, 30, 31, and 32. For 2 and 23 hundredths, we have 1, 2 shaded in, 10, 20 hundredths, 21, 22, 23. So we can clearly see here that 3 and 32 hundredths is going to be the largest, and then 2 and 32 hundredths, and 2 and 23 hundredths. Okay, I have another challenge for you. I want you to try and solve this problem on your own. Let's go ahead and pause the video and solve this problem. See what you get. Okay, so the problem says that we want to see which list shows the number of pages read from greatest to least. So greatest to least. So first, let's look at our representations here. I'm going to separate the tenths and the hundredths just so I can see clearly, just to make it easier for my eyes. So Victor, 0 holes, and 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4. 34 hundredths. Kayla, separate the tenths and then X the hundredths. 0 holes and 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42 hundredths. Okay. Susan had 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65 hundredths. So 0 holes and 65 hundredths. Finally, Ashley had 0 holes and 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38 hundredths. Okay, so if we're going to put these in order from greatest to least, we would see that Susan has the greatest. We can also stack them on top of each other. So 0 and 65 hundredths. Then I think Kayla has the next largest. I'm looking in that tenths place. So 0 and 42 hundredths. And then let's see, Victor and Ashley both have a 3 in the tenths place, so let me look at that hundredths place. So then 8 is going to be larger than 4, so 0 holes and 38 hundredths, and 0 holes and 34 hundredths. So 6, 4, 3s, then 8 and 4. So the answer would be D. How did you do? Okay, the last thing I have for you to do today is your DOL. So just go into your Google Classroom and complete your DOL for today. Remember, please let me know if you have any questions. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you.